100% of their income in taxes. In this country, 0 personal income tax. This country is just 2 square kilometers in size. You don't pay with your salary. You pay with your lifestyle. Second, residency. You can't just move here and declare 0 tax. To become a resident, you typically need a local address, proof of accommodation, and proof of significant financial means. Banks often require hundreds of thousands of euros deposited locally. This system doesn't create millionaires. It imports them. Third, luxury spending. There is 20% VAT on most goods and services here. Hotels, restaurants, shopping. When wealthy residents spend millions, the economy captures value indirectly. So while income tax is zero, consumption is not. But taxes aren't the main attraction. The real product is security. This country has one of the highest police-to-resident ratios in the world. Crime rates are extremely low. For high-net-worth individuals, safety is worth more than tax savings. And then there's privacy. When you control companies, assets, global investments, discretion becomes priceless. This place built its reputation on stability, predictable governance, and long-term financial certainty. But is it perfect? Critics argue that ultra-low tax jurisdictions can attract controversial wealth. Supporters argue they attract investment and capital efficiency. The truth? It's a carefully balanced system. The country complies with international transparency standards, but still remains highly attractive to global wealth. So why do millionaires move here? It's simple math. If someone earns $20 million per year, and their home country taxes 35%, that's $7 million in taxes. Here, that income tax bill can legally drop to zero. Over 10 years, that's tens of millions saved. The country is Monaco, a tiny principality on the French Riviera. Zero personal income tax since 1869. No capital gains tax for residents. No wealth tax. A system designed to attract capital, not labor. Monaco doesn't sell beaches. It sells financial efficiency. It sells stability. And it sells access to one of the most exclusive residential markets on earth. Zero tax isn't generosity. It's strategy. Would you move here if you could legally pay 0% income tax? Or do you think systems like this create inequality? Comment below. And if you want more real footage from the streets of Monaco, the supercars, the yachts, and the rules behind this world, subscribe. Because the next video dives even deeper.